हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मीन इन्फॉर्मेटिव आइडिया। गाइस, इसके पहले मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था जिसमें कि मैंने कोर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन दी थी। आज जो मैं एक वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ लॉन्ग का, वो जॉब से रिलेटेड। तो आप लोगों ने ये भी उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है तो जाके वॉच कीजिए, उसमें कोर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन है और आज जॉब की इंफॉर्मेशन है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Central government jobs, UPSC post, civil service, defense service and more. SSC post, staff selection, commissions job for various roles. Defense jobs, Army, Navy, Air Force and more. Banking jobs, opportunity in public sector banks. Teacher jobs, teaching positions in central school. State government job, state PSC post jobs through state public service commissions. Police jobs, opportunity in state police forces. Teacher jobs, teaching positions in state schools. Health job, opportunity in state health departments. Other categories, railway jobs, opportunity in Indian Railways. Post office job, jobs in the postal department. Court jobs, opportunity in judicial service. Forest jobs, job in forest department. Anganwadi jobs, opportunity in early childhood. Science category job. Science category jobs are super exciting and varied. Here are some top options. Highest paying science jobs, data scientist to derive insights and strategies with an average salary of 12 lakhs per year. Medicine learning, engineering design develops machines learning models with an average salary of 10.8 lakhs per year. Research scientist conducts scientific research to advance knowledge and solve problems with an average salary of 11 lakhs per year. Physicians practice medicine and promotes health with an average salary of 6.96 lakhs per year. Biotechnologies develops technologies and products to improve human health and the environment with an average salary of 3 lakhs per year. Other science category jobs, environmental engineering applies engineering principles to protect the environment and improve public health. Wildlife biologist studies and conserves wildlife populations and ecosystems. Quality assurance specialist ensures the quality and safety of products in manufacturing setting. Clinical pharmacologist studies how drugs interact in the human body and ensure safe uses. Geoscientists examine earth materials and process to add in resources attractions. Science job by locations. You can also explore science jobs opportunity in various locations across India, including Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Technology category job. Technology category jobs are super exciting and in high demands. Here are some top jobs in this category. Highest paying tech jobs, data scientist, analyze complex data to drive insights and strategies with an average salary of 14.3 lakhs per year. Machine learning, engineering develops and implements machine learning algorithms with an average salary of 10.2 lakhs per year. Cloud engineers design, builds and maintains cloud-based infrastructures and applications with an average salary of 7.3 lakhs per year. Software developer writes code and builds software applications with an average salary of 9 lakhs per year. Full stacks development masters both front end and back end developments with an average salary of 8.9 lakhs per year. Other technology jobs, IT security specialist protects IT systems and networking from cyber threats with an average salary of 9.8 lakh per year. Question A. Test software applications to identify and report bugs with an average salary of 5.7 per year. Helpdesk Analyze provides technical support to users with an average salary of 4.5 lakhs per year. Network administrators looks after the smooth functioning and troubleshooting of network infrastructures with an average salary of 9 lakhs per year. Database administrator manages and maintains database with an average salary of 12.2 lakh per year. Engineering technique jobs. IT experts works with internet connected devices and advanced software. Cybersecurity experts safeguard network systems and data from cyber attacks. Cloud computing engineering design, builds and maintains cloud-based infrastructure and applications. Commerce category job. Commerce category jobs are super exciting and various. There are some top jobs in this category. Highest paying commerce jobs: financial analyst, analyze financials, data to drive business decisions with an average salary of 9.6 lakhs per year. Accountant prepare and examines financial record with an average salary of 6 lakhs per year. Marketing managers develops and implements marketing strategies with an average salary of 12 lakhs per year. Human resources managers oversees requirement training and employees relations with an average salary of 10.8 lakhs per year. Business development manager identifies new business opportunity and builds a relationship with an average salary of 15 lakhs per year. Outer commerce job: sales executive drives sales revenue and builds customer relationship with an average salary of 4.8 lakh per year. Operations manager oversees day-to-day business operations with an average salary of 9 lakhs per year. Financial planners help individuals and business plan their finance with an average salary of 8.4 lakhs per year. Tax consultants provide tax advice and prepare tax returns with an average salary of 7.2 lakhs per year. E-commerce manager manages online sales and marketing with an average salary of 8.1 lakhs per year. Commerce jobs by industries: banking and finance opportunity in bank, financial institutions and insurance companies, and retail jobs in retail management, sales and marketing, and e-commerce opportunity in online sales, marketing and logistics, and international trades jobs in import, export, logistics and supply chain managers. So guys, ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कैसी लगी प्लीज आप बोलिएगा, क्योंकि मैंने जो इस पे वीडियो बनाया है और आप तक ही पहुंचाया है, मेरी कोशिश यही है कि आप इससे कुछ अपने लिए एडवाइस लें और उसको फॉलो करें। और प्लीज कमेंट कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिए मेरे वीडियो को, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए, और ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कैसी लगी प्लीज बताइएगा जरूर। थैंक यू सो मच। Till say